All right, next up is Unshift. So Unshift will add a node to the beginning of our doubly linked list. So it's about the same as what we did with a singly linked list. We just have that extra connection. So if we come over here and we do insert at the beginning, we'll add the number 85. All that we do is find the current head. We make a new node. We point the new node at the current head. Then we point the old head, or the current head, at the new node, and then we make this the head. That's the final step, and we're done. So it's pretty short. All that we have to look out for is if the list is empty, and in that case, we make the head and the tail the same thing. All right, so here's the pseudocode. Create a new node with the value that's passed in. If the length is 0, if it's empty, set the head and the tail to be that new node. Otherwise, we'll set the previous property on the head to be the new node. Then we set the next property on the new node to be the current head. And then finally, we move the head label. We make the head the new node. We shift it over, or unshift it over. And then we increment the length and then return the list. All right? So just to reiterate that, we take the current head. Well, first we make the new node, then we take the current head, and we have the new node point.next at the current head. Then we have the current head.previous set to the new node. There's that other arrow. And then finally, we say this isn't the head anymore, this is the head. And we're done. We just have to look out for the edge case. When it's empty, the head and the tail are the same thing. All right.